Welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about lap joint on 2 mm thick MS sheet in flat position using OAW process.
Objectives.
At the end of this topic, you will be able to select appropriate filler rod for tack welding and welding process. Prepare and set plates for lap joint in flat position. Tack weld. Inspect the weldments for defects. Now, let us look at the tools required for a lap joint on a 2 mm thick MS sheet in flat position using OAW process. Steel rule, scriber,
Nozzle.
ball peen hammer, flat file, bench vise, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, copper-coated mild steel filler rod, oxygen and acetylene cylinder and welding torch, personal protective equipment. Now, let us look at the pre-welding preparations for lap joint on a 2 mm thick MS sheet in flat position using OAW process. Use personal protective equipment for safety purposes. Prepare 2 mm thick aluminum sheets 150 mm length by 50 mm width. Set the pieces on the welding table to form a lap joint. Set the gas welding plant. Fix nozzle number 5. Adjust the pressure of oxygen between 0.5 and 1.41 kg per square centimeter and acetylene at 0.8 to 0.15 kg per square centimeter. Select a 1.6 mm CCMS filler rod. Set and tack the weld pieces in correct alignment with proper overlapping. Set the neutral flame. Tack the pieces at both ends and also in the center using a 1.6 mm filler rod. We have seen the pre-welding preparations. Now, let us look at the welding process of lap joint on a 2 mm thick MS sheet in flat position using OAW process. Start welding using leftward technique. Maintain correct travel speed. Stop at the left end after filling the crater and complete the weld. Extinguish the flame. Cool the nozzle in water. and place the blowpipe at its place on the cylinder trolley. Clean the welded joint with a wire brush. Inspect for correct size of fillet weld. Weld the pieces from the side, also following the same steps. Repeat the exercise till you get good results. Now, we will look at the important points to follow for a lap joint on a 2 mm thick MS sheet in flat position using OAW process. Maintaining uniform travel speed. Maintain uniform weld size and shape to reinforce and contour the joint. Equal leg length. Undercut. Uneven ripple. Crater. Recap.
In this topic, you have learned to select appropriate filler rod for tack welding and welding process. Prepare and set sheets for lap joint in flat position. Tack weld. Inspect the weldments for defects.